Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I want to talk about our AA ignition replacement ignition coil pack that fits a variety of Ford, Mazda, and Mercury V6 3.0 liter engines. This comes in like vehicles like the Ford Escape, the Taurus, the Mercury, Montego, Sable, as well as the Mazda 6 MPV. You can scroll down and take a look at a complete list of vehicles. So on this side of the ignition coil, we have, it's an insulated sleeve that protects the high voltage coming out and helps transfer it to the spark plug properly. You'll notice here we have a 2-pin connector. This utilizes the factory 2-pin wire harness. And if we look at the top of the ignition coil, you'll see there's one hole over here, and this is where the retaining bolt is. So to go ahead and install this on your vehicle, you're going to remove the one bolt that's there from the factory. You'll unplug the connector. This ignition coil will pull out. You can drop our new one in, bolt it in place, plug it in, and you're all set.